Today, we're diving into the world of astronomy with the Gskyer Telescope, a perfect choice for kids and beginners. This travel-friendly telescope boasts a 70mm aperture and a 400mm focal length, offering high-quality optics with fully coated glass lenses that deliver stunning images while protecting your eyes. With two replaceable eyepieces and a 3x Barlow lens, you can easily triple the magnifying power and explore the stars and moon in incredible detail. The 5x24 finder scope with a mounting bracket and crosshair lines makes locating celestial objects a breeze. Plus, the included smartphone adapter and wireless camera remote allow you to capture breathtaking images of the night sky right from your screen. Designed for versatility, the adjustable aluminum alloy tripod ensures comfortable viewing from various angles, and everything fits neatly into the carry bag for easy travel and storage. Backed by a 2-year warranty and 24-hour technical support, the Gskyer Telescope is your gateway to exploring the wonders of the universe. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.